Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to switch the sound drivers on your computer / laptop. I'm doing this on a laptop, so you're going to come down here and on Windows 10 to this little sound icon right here, right click. You're going to click on Playback Devices. Then you're going to come over here. You're going to click on the speaker / headphones, click on Properties, click on Properties again. You're going to click on Change Settings. You go ahead and click on Driver. You're going to click on Update Driver. Browse my computer for driver software. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You can have if you have more than one sound driver on your computer, then they'll pop up here. All you do is just simply click on one of them. You click on Next, and then it'll say Installing. It's going to say Windows has installing the drivers for this device. Click on Close. You're going to close everything out you have. And a lot of time for you to see, it normally is going to, I already had that one on, so I think that's why it didn't come up. But normally, it's going to be a thing that says something about, like, you've made changes. It's going to come up on the screen probably around here. It's going to say something like, you need to restart your computer to see these changes or something. So let's go ahead. This is what you're going to need to do. You're going to need to restart your computer. Also, I'm recording this with a camera and not OBS because it involves restarting the computer, and can't really record like with a screen recorder during that. Anyway, you're gonna go ahead and put in your password. Make sure you actually type your password correctly. Then that should be it. Everything should be all installed. Let her switch to that sound driver, and yeah, that's about it. So if you guys found this video helpful, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.